Okay, here we have a vintage 20-inch Lakewood box fan, model P-20, 2-speed, high and low. It was a flea market find years ago. And I gave it to my dad. He had it for 6 years. And now that he's going into a nursing home, I've taken it back. I've serviced it, I oiled it with Zoom spout, because I'm sure 6 years without oil, they're probably thirsty. See, it's almost in mint condition. I think it came with the original box when I bought it and I tossed the box. But it was well taken care of when I got it from the flea market, and it's still in good condition. Let's start up on high and work our way to low. Low. Let's do a spin down from low. Not bad. Let's see if we can get a motor sound. Spin down from high. And we'll do a start up from low. Now let's do a start up sound from low. It'll probably take a while for the oil to work into the bearings. He never cleaned it. It wasn't like dirty. It was average. Couldn't make a damn video and the train has to fucking come. Yeah, just a locomotive. Anyway, see, it still runs. Spin down again from low. The longer it runs, the more spin time it has spinning down. So run it for a while, it'll probably break in again. Thanks for watching.